The highway has got certain norms and principles. You know, every 2 kilometers there can be an opening. But if you go to see that there are openings as per the convenience of certain influential or corporations, like why has the police not taken action against this man as yet? This man has destroyed public property. I don't know what is his interest. We are talking about an illegal puncture done by public. What has he done? He has illegally punctured a highway without any authority.
एक म्हटल्यार ध्वनी प्रदूषण इतले वाढलेले असतले जी लोकांची घरां रस्त्याच्या कुशीक आहात आणि जी कितकीशीच वर्षां ते थंयसर इतली वर्सां रावतात त्यांच्या दारासून व्हडली वाहनां वयतली.
म्हाका स्वताक दिसता की सगळे कडेन जर जाता तितले कडेन सर्वीस रोड प्रोवायड करपाची गरज आसता कारण भितरले लोकल जेन्ना वयता तेन्ना मेन रोड सोडून तेंच्यांनी सर्वीस रोडार वचप आनी घरा आपल्या पावूंक शकता ते प्लस सगळ्या क्रॉसिंगाचेर म्हाका आतां सिग्नल्स घालपाक जाय. एक बरें काम तितून जाला म्हणटा ते रोड जाता थोडोसो स्ट्रेच उरला कोर्टाक एंट्री करपाचें. गव्हर्मेंट इंडिया अंडर काम बऱ्यापैकी चालू आहा आनी सरकाराचो सपोर्ट ताका बऱ्यापैकी आहा म्हणून काम जाता.
आमी हायवे ऑथॉरिटीच्या प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टराक गाठलो. तो म्हणटा हायवे प्लान केल्लो तेन्ना अशी दाट लोक वस्ती नाशिल्ली.
In the year 1998, so that time Porters has bought the border roads organization as a contractor. So earlier it was a 2-lane and BRO has been brought to construct as a 4-lane. And they started the work and they completed Verna to Mango Rail, that is Varunapuri, 13.1 kilometer, and it was completed in 2004. Further stretch from Varunapuri to Sada Junction, it is entrusted to state government and they are implementing it through the contractor Mrs. Cameron India Limited, and the work is in progress.
Any idea of when it will be completing and any idea?
This balance port connectivity 5.2 kilometer including other loops, it will be completed. Scheduled completion date is October 2018.
All the necessities as a service road, bus bay were provided in this project.
See, this BRO, when they started this project for a 4-laning, that time traffic was not much, so they had not made any provision for a service road. So it was 2-lane to 4-lane road was constructed by BRO.
Bus bay also not was project.
Bus bay also were not there.
Signal lights, nothing was.
Signal, nothing, no light, median light, it was not there in their proposal.
आमी एमपीटीचो चेअरमॅन जया कुमाराकूय मेळ्ळे. तो म्हणटा गोंय सरकार हायवे ऑथॉरिटी आनी एमपीटी मेळून ह्या हायवेक सर्वीस रोडाचो प्लान चल्ला.
Verna to Varunapuri, that road was developed by the port and NHA. Now Varunapuri to our gate number 9 and Sada. So this is only the tail end not been completed. There are a lot of issues in the past. Now it has been resolved. Now it will be ready by February 19. Once this leg also completed, then the Vasco congestion or Mangur congestion will totally get eliminated. So straight away will go. So this road can tackle minimum 600 to 800 trucks in a day.
No, highway will cater, but the adjacent houses which are come, the new loop connectivity has increased, and the residents are facing the problems now. There is no service roads. There are no bus bays in that project. What do you have to say regarding this?
See, that actually this work is executed by the state PWD department, and yesterday also we had a discussion with the political representatives also. Our Honorable CM also is aware. Additional service roads have been planned. There will be a proposal from the government of Goa to NHA, additional 2 service lanes, so that more dispersal possibility is there. That's what they are working on this. So only thing is there will be some delay in additional service road because the plan has to be developed and it has to be done. So the main road will be completed by February 19. The additional service road may take another 9 to 12 months extra.
आत्र्या पयरान एक्सिडंट जातात म्हूण फाटल्याच सप्तकात MES जंक्शना कडेन दाबोळेचो आमदार मंत्री माविनान आपणेच थंय फोडिल्लो रस्तो बंद करूंक लायलो आनी आपणेच जुवारी जंक्शना कडेन हायवे ओपन करून दिलो. आतां थंय एक्सिडंट जातात म्हूण कुठ्ठाळच्या आमदाराची शेबय. एकार एक एक्सिडंट सुरू जाल्ल्यान पॅनीक जावन रोड इंजिनियरींग खुटयाळ्याक मारून सगलो कारभार. प्रुडंटा खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.